So today we are not talking about the car as much as the tradition and the heritage it carries of one particular culture. Okay, so in this video I'll be taking you through the Chevy Impala. Okay, this is the treasure hunt car. You can see here, right, the P case. And by the end of the video I will tell you a lot about what this HW Celebration stands for. Stay tuned till the end. This is going to get awesome. I love this. So yeah, let's start with the car itself. So this is the car. It's the 59 Chevy Impala. Beautiful car, and this is the treasure hunt. So this comes under the HW Celebration series, Celebration races. So, and this is the logo here. Okay, so now you might be wondering, Kushal, what is Celebration races? What does this car say? What is the connection between the celebration and what is this car? So yeah, by the way, new knife. Okay, so let's see how this one goes. I know it's not about the knife as much as it is the yeah. Okay, so let me just, oh wow, this is slicing it. All right. Hey, treasure hunt. Wow. So this is in matte black finish, and as you can see, there's this treasure hunt logo right here. Okay, so first up, this car is celebrating the Mexican culture, right, tradition, and it is the celebration of the people who are deceased or dead. Okay, it is called the Day of the Dead in English, and in Spanish it's called Dia de los Muertos. All right, so it is written right here, Dia de los Muertos. So this means the Day of the Dead. Now this day is celebrated on it's on November 1st and on November 2nd, but some also believe that the day starts the celebration starts at 31st midnight, so even that is considered 31st October, so that is considered. And it is also believed that on the 1st of November the souls of the children who are deceased, okay, they come to the land. Okay, and on the second day the adults come visit their family members land. Yeah, so family members and stuff. And see, that's why you can see the livery on this one. It is a skull right here, and you can see the skulls here as well, 1 2 3 4. And you might be wondering why the flower deco, right? So in this celebration what happens is every family, they on this day they go to the gravestone, okay, where they are buried. They clean it up, they, what do you say, they decorate it with flowers and everything else. And in their homes, suppose if it's not suppose, so their loved ones are passed away, and to remember them by, they create altars, and in that altars there's a picture of them, and they are decorated with these skulls beside. And they also prepare food that the person liked a lot, and they also offer them good food, sweets. Even if they have a favorite liquor, they will offer that as well. And they will play games that the person who was deceased liked. All right, and they also make candies of that look like skull. And recently in 2017 this tradition got its first parade, okay, in Mexico, not in Mexico, I guess, if I'm not wrong. I'll link the video below, the source of all the information, so you can check it out in the description. Okay, so yeah, that was the first time when they had an official parade. And you can also see this tradition being shot in one of the James Bond movies. Okay, in the first shot you can see Daniel Craig wearing that skull mask and going in this whole parade. And also you can also remember, if I'm not wrong, the movie called Coco, Disney movie. It is based on this one. So from that movie actually this culture has revived its glory in the people. Okay, even many Mexicans and from all the Latino community, they have all what do you say, celebrating it as a much bigger gesture right now. So yeah, coming back to the car, that was I would love to talk about that festival. Same things, I like to talk about, like some traditions or some history, whatever it is. So I like that as well. So let's come back to the car. You can see the deco on this one, brilliantly done, the most beautiful livery I ever seen on any car so far. Okay, you can see the deco here. This does have embossed tail lamps. On the other side also we have the same deco, right, the livery. And also you can see the skull on the wheels. Look at that. Okay, you can see the skull on the wheels. I love that. It's the first car that I've seen with white wheels. Speed Bump had one wheel and the rear wheels they had white, but this is pretty awesome. And you can see on the hood the floral livery, and on the top we have this skull. All right, so this is a pretty awesome car. They have also good interior detailings as well. All right, and they have said here 24, that means 2024, right? And it has a plastic base with chrome color. It says 59 Chevy Impala, and it looks awesome. So this has to be the best treasure hunt of the year 2024. All right, and it is not just because it is in matte black or it has a great livery, but the message it is trying to send out to every one of us, that we have to be connected to our roots, and we need to, what do you say, embrace our cultural heritage and go ahead with it. And you can also see the front detailings. It is pretty good. The front grille and the headlights are embossed. I would have loved to see this exact car as mini GT or something, if they could do something. See, they have that Chevrolet logo here, right? And they've done a pretty well job on the card art as well. And if I'm not wrong, this is designed by Larry Wood. Great job, sir. So yeah, this was about the car, and yes, I will crown this car as the treasure hunt of the year and the most beautiful treasure hunt of the year by far. Like, no other cars come close to this one. Okay, so this is a pretty good looking car. Let me change the camera angle for you. So this is the casting. Okay, let's do a quick roll test. It won't be visible to you guys. Yeah, it rolls very nice, and Hot Wheels has done a pretty awesome job, right? Yeah, so with that note, I will have to take a leave now. And if I have said anything, if the information about the whole Dia de los Muertos was, if anything was incorrect, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I will put the link for the source video for the full information about this celebration of the dead. Okay, the Day of the Dead. Okay, I'll put that in the description as well as in the comment section below. You can check that out. It's a great video. Yeah, you can watch it if you are interested in that. All right, so yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one, and next one is a great supercar that I'm going to unbox, and it's the first time on this channel. Let me know in the comments if you know that car, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and happy life.